Right, today we're working on a Commodore, as you can see. That'll be the next video, A series back there, but I'm going to pull the motor, the box, do the remain seal, extension housing seal. Seems pretty low as you can see. Remain, extension housing seal, possibly water pump, possibly power steering pump, and there's a trans leak somewhere along the line, I think, possibly. So I'm gonna rip that out and do all that to it. Hopefully in the next 2 to maximum 3 days, hopefully turn around. So, got the radiator out, airbox out, hose is disconnected on this side. We just got to take the bolt off, take the AC off, a few other things probably get under the car, tail shaft, etc. And then hopefully have it out and split the gearbox tonight and continue with doing the remain and the extension housing seal. We are halfway done pulling stuff out of the engine bay, getting stuff done slowly and whatnot, but we've got a few things disconnected. Mops, not bad. I'm just gonna end up and see what that is, see how to get that disconnected. That'll be safe and sorry. Hopefully the fuel line tool can do that. It seems that it feels like it might be a fuel line. It might be a breather or something. Disconnect these 2 lines here. We've disconnected the loom. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the power steering reservoir and the lines because I don't want trans and power steering fluid everywhere, but might just have to deal with it and put a towel or a rag under there. That's not going to do well, but I'm going to try and grab some tape so then hopefully that holds and don't leak. Got a decent amount of stuff done in here. I've still got to probably do a little bit more. Disconnected O2 sensors and stuff, taken off the belt, etc. Once I'm done in the engine bay, I'm jack the car up as it's pretty damn low, and I'm gonna undo the gearbox mounts slightly, tail shaft, take that out, leave the yoke in, and then yeah, we'll go from there, see where we're at. I haven't done a Ecotech by myself ever before. I've helped someone a little bit, but never done it by myself before, so it's a learning curve. But needs a remain seal, extension housing seal, water pump, etc. 3 people are, said it would be easy to just pull motor and box out at the same time, so that's what we're here doing, learning how to do it. So as you can tell, the exhaust is fully off, so just don't have to deal with it, don't have to be in the way, etc. As you can tell, yeah, but not so nice. I have a feeling the tail shaft's either not sitting in enough because it's a 4-bolt VT wagon tail shaft, VT diff. It's either not sitting in enough, or the rear extension housing seals, because you can see it's leaking back there. Not very nice. It's got a remain seal leak too, so that's why we're pulling the motor out. Just making life easier so I don't have a gearbox follow me while I'm doing it by myself and whatnot. But yeah, it's Series 2, so it's got twin cats on it, which is not bad at all. But yeah, I'm gonna pack up for the day. Just finished up dinner. Got the kids daycare and stuff like that. pick them up and drop them off, so I'm not flat out working on it, but when I've got time at the second, like during the day when I'm not with the kids or having to do something, I'm here working on it. So yeah, but not too bad of a start. First night, couple of hours into it, just learning and creating some content along the way, I guess. You see it. Alright, so we're at, we'll split the box as you can tell. We've just dropped the water pump, gonna replace the water pump. We've done the engine mounts. We've got a extension housing sealed to do on here, I'm pretty sure it is. Engine mounts are done, rear main is done, possibly gonna go get a sump gasket for it. But yeah, been pretty easy to pull out, whatnot, etc. Been a bit busy with the kids and life, etc. So I put it off for a couple of days. The missus ain't the most happy. Car was meant to be back together like a day or so ago, 2 days ago maybe. But yeah, that's my bad a bit. Get a bit lazy and I get a bit not too confident in myself when I'm working on them, and sometimes I like to just have a extra pair of hands around. But no one's here to save us, say. Gotta learn to do this shit on our own. Anyway, just fucking didn't think it still had that much coolant in it, but definitely fucking did. But yeah, might go do a front main, not a fucking front main, mind my language. Oil pressure switch, sump gasket, possibly go look at one of them. Pretty funny, you can tell that one of the bolts wasn't actually tight at all, it was actually hitting on the water pump pulley. So yeah, you can see it's been leaking. And I reckon that was our culprit to where, yeah. Look at it, it's not healthy at all. You definitely need one. But luckily, we have one gasket and a fresh water pump sitting there. So we're good to go. We will get some more shit done. I'm going to try and get it back in today and get the missus happy. Hopefully have it running by tonight. If I get me shit together and crack into it. It's honestly not a big job. First time I put out an Ecotech by myself. And yeah. Next job will be throwing some coilovers in this E-series. It's my old boys. Got to possibly throw some E-series coilovers in that. Or HSD coilovers. Put them in that once I finish this. Been a bit lazy with it, so that's my bad. Turbo build, still coming along, but yeah, we'll get back into it. Alrighty, switch over to fuel lines. What else was it? I just topped up the power steering fluid and noticed that was a bit low. I'll try to get it started. Third time's a charm. Fuel pump a little bit. Now we got the fuel lines the right way. start pulling. Don't have any more coolant at the moment, so we're just going to have to use water. First eco testing there. Sump gasket, engine mounts, water pump, rear main, extension out of the seal, bit of a degrease, back in. Third start was a charm. Fuel lines are on the wrong way. So it is, you learn. Mate come around last night, gave his hand, a couple of the boys. So I accidentally just slipped them on the wrong way. I wasn't too shy to look back on a video and a photo, just figure it out, but yeah, obviously still got a little cut more to tidy up, bleed coolant, but she's running, she's good. Job is complete. Only, what is it? 395,000 K Ecotech. pretty clean for one, to be fair. Been sitting for a bit, 5 days or so, at least, without a clean. But it's bloody nicky. 04 Series 2, tidy thing for fucking nearly 400,000 Ks. Interior's pretty nice. Needs a new steering wheel. Gonna get the, might get Mrs. nice SS1 Spirazer with it. Needs roof lining. It might be another YouTube video on it. But yeah, I've got to put that back in, but I just took it for a test drive, just making sure it's not leaking or anything. And by the looks of it, it's only the AC dripping. So I'm a happy camper. You know what I say? Happy wife, happy life, eh? That's it for this video though, I reckon. Another one will be out soon. Putting some coilovers in an E-series. Probably, maybe doing a gearbox service on it. But yeah, stay in touch. See some more of that turbo too. Turbo NA plus T.